All right, so today is October 7th, 2024. October 7th, 2024. Today we don't have any major news. Also, tomorrow we shouldn't have any major news. We do have something here on the Econ Day website. But for me, what I've been noticing is that on days where there's no news, the levels play out perfectly. Just gotta just be patient, wait for the levels to touch. The pre-market levels play out very perfectly, and any levels prior um, to the day has played out perfectly. I don't recall intraday levels, maybe initial balance, but I do not have seen the levels play out perfectly, bouncing from whatever volume area that we find with volume and really just respecting it very good. Right now, I don't have anything. Right now, we're shorting. I don't have anything that I can really trust. Maybe this area right here. We have a green candle, then red volume. But I prefer to see the red volume with a green candle here. But I don't have that. So I'll be looking for anything here at the bottom. So that's essentially it for news wise. Um, and then we'll also go through initial balance as I've been stating that now that it made sense to me and clicked in my head. That's right. The initial balance is whether we gapped up or down. Right now we're down 22, negative 22. Let's go to settlement price. Sorry, settlement price. Settlement price tells us whether we've been gapping up or down. So 5,800 is where we settled on the Friday. On Friday, so 5,800 up here. So right now we're gapping down. So we'll see if price can come back and close this gap, and then retrace lower, right? And we're kind of near it here, where the volume started at the 3 a.m. session, starting and 3 a.m. session closing. If we go to Forex Factory, there's somewhere here where it shows you the time shift. Here it goes, right around here. So it's for so the London session opens about here at the 3 a.m. and the Tokyo session is starting to end. So this is the London session. It's 2, 3, 4. London session opens, and Tokyo is usually closing. Sydney has already closed around 2, but Tokyo sessions are also coming to an end and has about an hour left, 2 hours left. Let close at 5. So, and then around noon, when this is closing here, 15, 30 minutes later, we get another setup. So, but I do like when I see a lot of volume here at the 3 at the opening of the London session, because sometimes we retest it very nicely, and it gives us an opportunity. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to clear my charts, right, of anything. So if price move through it, it's getting cleared. Um, price did move through that, right? The price moved through it, it's getting cleared. Price looked like it cleared it. Let me double check on here. Yeah, we closed above it. Hold low. So I'm gonna have to see what I can get from up there, but I'm gonna mark this. So let's clear the charts. Anything that's up and around news wise. This is something I was just checking earlier. This can go, this can go, this can go, this can go. Go. Bring that back. This is zero print. Over here, I think. Bounced around it. Did a nice job pushing price up. That's been cleared. That's been cleared. Settlement price, we tested it perfectly, closed that gap, or reversed. That I will actually just mark it now because it was 5,800. That. This is an area of interest. This can go. This I'm just gonna rebuild. That was our weekly from last time. That can go. This can go forward. This can go. Put this at the top of Friday's high, which was here. The lows, which was here. Do we have buying here? Yeah, this is still important. Let me mark this like that for now, so I don't remember, so I don't forget. This can go, 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 go. All right, so now we have a good idea of what we're working with. Let's go to NQ, do the same thing. Move this over. I'll keep that. That can go, go. Settlement price, this can go. I forgot what settlement price is. This can go. This is a prior high that we ticked it. I'm gonna leave it because price is still holding on to it for dear life apparently. And then where is the high? It's over here. Very much still below it. And then I had marked this for NQ for ES, and as you can see we're holding it. That's at 3 a.m. I'm gonna look into that in a bit. This is very strong. Alright, that's really where our volume is, so we need to see if we can clear this. If not, you know, I also have to be cautious of where settlement price is with that. So let's find settlement price for NQ. Down negative 103 from the close. Settlement price. Is that it? This is it. Okay. Let's bring that right about here is good. That. Alright, so this is going to be a cluster of things to really want to stop price. Is it going to be able to stop price? Don't know, but this is definitely an area I'm likely going to be interested in. Alright, now that we have that, I'm going to go on default here so I can see what my week look like. Looks like this was also the week that I had got rid of. Bounce up a bit pre-market, but that's why I was trying to short this week. Right here, I think I got demolished. All right, so let's go to the week just to get a clear aerial view of what's going on. Let's just do this. Alright, so we're consolidating very heavily up here at the tops. We did clear this week candle, but we came down to enter here and found some buyers, which looked like it coincided very well with this. And look like it's about 50% of this candle. And we still got a gap right here. Alright, so we can get rid of that. Just taking a look at what's going on. Let's mark, today is the 7th, so let's mark last week's high and low. Wow, we never really cleared this. Okay. Or down here. Okay. Alright. Interesting. Just need to get a quick view of everything. So this is basically going to be the weekly and the daily. I go through this, and then I'll go through the lower time frames to see exactly where things are moving. to get an idea. I'm going to look for volume in these areas. Let's put this to the week. So this is 26. That. Something feels awkward about this. It says 916. So this goes to be 16. That's it. I just need the front part to go to those levels. This is going to be 29. This one's going to be 29 as well. This one's going to be 3. Here. Alright, and then since these are older, I'm going to make them a different color so that way I don't confuse them. Let's make them, sure, yellow. That way I don't confuse them with what I'm trying to figure out. Alright, so let's go to the daily. Look for some volume. We still have some selling volume up here on the daily. I like this. We nicked here, so looks like the volume of selling should be in this candle. And then let's see what we get here. That was the first. I remember that day, and that's the 26th. And then we had some weird buying going on around here. And then just straight volume right across. Right? And then that. Okay. Now let's go to, we'll do 8 hour, see what's happening. 4 hours. It's definitely selling in this area here. 4 hours, what's happening? Points. Points. 30 minutes. Still holding that, huh? That's what we're holding. That's what we sold off on that Friday. Yeah. This one doesn't have anything like that I can see. About 15 points, I think. 10, 16 points, 17. Let's see, this one has to combat this one. has this consolidation drop, and then we have this major consolidation into that area and then drop. So I also have this. Okay, I know what that's about. It also has this to deal with. Interesting. Alright, let's get a side by side look. I can stay. Man, okay. I did the same thing for NQ. That doesn't look too bad. Alright, let's do NQ. Let's go to an empty space. Let's go to the weekly. Clear all of this. Q is really holding on to that area right here. I forgot I said I was going to do that, right? I wanted to see what volume. areas causing. Well, I guess yeah. I guess we are set. I didn't need to do all of that. Yeah. All right. That's right. This needs to be. Hmm. Oh, that's a low. Oh, I should to have a low. Okay, so that's essentially it for my levels. I'm gonna go further into now the actual volume areas for ES and NQ and see what I can find, if I can find anything. It's essentially the same here. Alright, so let's use our Heikin-Ashi levels and see what we can find first. Then we use our other levels. So that's definitely an area I want to mark. Clock. Do that for now. And I don't think I have anything to the downside, but I do have this here that I'm going to mark with that. Oh, it's 3 o'clock. Alright, it's 3 o'clock, so I'll look for selling here, but my main goal is to see the higher part, but selling did happen at 3 o'clock. I'm really liking this. O'clock. Same thing, selling started. Let's go back to the other one. It is the highest volume at the 3 o'clock, highest volume at the 3:30, but 3 o'clock has steady red volume while the 3:30 has shoddy red volume. Do that. Let's bring that up. There's no volume here. We did clear it, but barely. .5 points. .4 points. I'm just gonna draw a box around it. I'm just gonna have to just keep an eye on it. It's gonna be tough to really read all of these lines. Cause this is the gap line. This is higher day. This is higher day. We did touch all of that. Okay. Standard candle. Definitely potential. Not really. This one here, like this area. At 30, right? Bottom right, top left. This is definitely an order block up here. Very messy. Same thing. Definitely an order block right here. Could go down, go back up, could click through. Just to see what's going on over here. Too high. No, it's good, but it's down there. 5 minute. Still yes. Ladavaya. Buying starts here. No, I went silent. I'm just marking the same stuff that I've been finding. think I'm done. I definitely would like to see a rejection up here. That would have to be a rejection down here. Alright, I think I'm done. I got my, let's go through them real quickly. Got my high volume areas. Oh, I did not look for zero prints. So I did on my other computer. Let's look for zero prints real quickly. Especially on the way down. Looks like we have one at 5781. We're there. Got a zero print at something happened around 4 o'clock. I gave us a zero print at 5781. This is where we are right now. 5782. 57. You can say it's 5782. What's the height of this handle? Okay. Go to the 1 minute. I mean the 5 minute. 5 minutes. That's an order block. This is at 33. It is an order block here. Maybe something like that. Definitely an order block there. Where price should have rejected. It did. And then let's continue looking for some zero prints. And then we're going to walk away from all of this and clear our heads. I think I'm back. At 6. 6 was yesterday. 4 was there. Okay. All right. I don't see any other zero prints. That was definitely an area right there. All right, that's it. So it's a 40-minute review. Shouldn't have taken that. Well, it had reason to take long. I had to do the whole week. All right, so that's it for today. These are my levels. These are where we're going to be playing. I need VIX down here for price to go short. Right now, VIX is kind of high up, and I'm not trusting any of this action right now. So I will stay put until price figures out exactly what it wants to do. We got about 18 minutes before the market opens. I'm going to take a mental break. I already have my game plan. Things the same way. I'm going to be very aggressive with my entries, looking for confluence in my setups. Did settlement price. We didn't do this, but yeah, that's that. All right, so that's it for me. Be back in the evening.